Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I had to refilm just now because I did get my package from the mom life, and I accidentally turned it over, and you guys could have seen my address, so I hit my tripod. So I was like, oh, let me redo this because I do not want somebody to know where I live or where she lives. So like I was saying, I got that from her, and this come, and she sent me label, guys. I didn't order this, she just sent it, which is awesome. And I love that a lot of her stuff have the sticker. I honestly want to take them out and use them because they're like such beautiful sticker of black girls. So I was like, oh, that's awesome. And she sent me so much stuff that I didn't even order. And in here it's, sorry guys, so I am trying to budget my paycheck with you guys today. So I hear it's a lot of her challenge, guys. I'm trying to, I don't think I can post. So she have this one I wanted to do for Christmas. Who isn't this beautiful? When I saw it and I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty. So this one, and she had so many challenges that I like, guys. So she sent me way more than I ordered, guys. She sent me this one, and we still have some more in here, guys. So I was gonna show you guys everything, but my long nail is making it very difficult to do so. So I'm not trying to make this video longer than it was supposed to be. As you guys can see, guys, I got so excited. I already opened a lot of them. I already opened everything basically. And look at all the goodies she sent me. I didn't order any of those, guys. She sent me, and she sent me a note, which I already which is a girl, you are one in a million. You make my day every time I hear your voice. And you are uplifting, funny, and kind comments. Comments. I'm truly blessed to call you a friend. That meant so much to me, guys. I had a long week, and guys, more envelope, guys. All of those. Literally, I didn't order any of those, guys. So that was like one of the best package I will ever receive. And you see, like I said, more stickers. Like, I really love the stickers. I worked a lot. I didn't work a lot. I work about like 41 hours, but it's the job that I do that make it very hard. So I am very tired. So I'm trying to get this over with. It's about 9 something, and I haven't ate. So I'm trying to get this done, and to get it to be able to go and eat. So guys, again, more stickers. I love them so much. That's where the no card was in, and she had sent me this so pretty. You guys know I like yellow. I did my nails and I did them yellow. I love yellow. And she sent me, like, I really love those pop money, guys. I'm trying to not bend them because I'm actually gonna use them because they are so pretty. Positivities and that. The pop monies are so cute. So, and we do more challenge. Jenny budget 7 challenge. I have the planner challenge, which I love. I just love that color, guys. I really do. $1 challenge. So a lot of those challenges I'm gonna have to do next, but some of them I can start if I really work hard and make that money and finish the challenge that I have right now. I will be able to start some of those challenges, especially the Black Friday one and the planner challenge. I wanted to start. Oh guys, there's more in here. There is more. There is more in here. I was gonna about to use some of those to decorate my nails actually, but I totally forgot actually. Okay guys, so the card had came in here. She sent me, guys, again, I did not order any of that, guys. She sent me so many stickers, which I've never really have stickers like that in my channel. So that is excited for me to be able to use, and it's like, it's amazing. So again, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. She sent me, guys, correction tape, and a beautiful, I think I just saw she had a gray like that, and I just said to somebody, I love your thing, and I end up, she sent me one, guys. It's pink. As you guys can see, I like pink also, because I did my nail pink also. So guys, look at that. Let me see, I love, yeah. And let's have, I just love all the stickers. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna probably use this one for my bills. I'm so excited, and I believe that pen was also in there, guys. So guys, I'm telling you, you see all the stuff, guys. What I ordered from her was the challenges, guys. So, and she sent me more challenges, and she sent me way more than where I buy, guys. As you guys can see, most of the stuff that I got, I did not buy. So again, thank you so much, Gracie. Thank you, guys. Sorry, I'm sorry, my light is keep falling. So guys, the main point of this video is to budget my paycheck. It was small because last week, yeah, mommy busy. Can you go away for 1 second and then come back later? We can watch a movie. Turning red. You excited? Okay. Okay, guys, so we try, let's see how much I will need, because you guys know how bath right might be. Oh my goodness, give me a second, guys. I like it messing up. Give me a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I mean, if you guys haven't seen the movie Turning Red, you guys should check it out, guys. It is so, I watched it as a part of when I was working, and I really liked it. So oops. So let's start with my cash envelope as usually, guys. As usual, let's do this. You guys don't have to tilt my thing to be able to write. So we're gonna do it eat out, gas, spending, miscellaneous, kids, and Jenny. So eating out always gets 60. We let 40 roll over so we can have 100. Guys, oh guys, prices is ridiculous. I'm thinking of like I don't know, starting to walk everywhere now, because it's ridiculous how much it is, guys. So guys, prices will be getting 40. We did put guys in the car, but we are going to the rodeo. It's like a fair on Sunday. So let's see how much is all the way downtown. So it's gonna cost us some. Guys spending always get 20, miscellaneous always get 20, and then kids getting 10 as usual, and I get 10. I've been spending a lot of money in coffee, guys, because I had to some early shift. It's spring break, so I was able to pick I had to start early than usual. So yeah, guys, so I had to get some Starbucks. So we have 60 plus 40 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That's gonna be 160. So cash envelope is gonna be 160. So okay, as you guys know, I'm no longer gonna do my emergency fund and saving and my kids, because we're doing challenges for those. So over here, since I have too many sinking fund, I'm just gonna do some of my major one over here, and it is gonna be vacation, remodel, car maintenance. I'm gonna speed to this, guys, and then I'll come back, okay? Okay, guys, if I forgot one, I will let you guys know. But so we're gonna start with vacation is gonna get 15. Remodel is gonna get, we're not putting much because like I said, my paycheck was a little bit short this time. We're gonna put 20 in in car maintenance. Christmas is gonna get 30. So let's add those one. So we have 15 plus 10 plus 20. Oh, let's 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30. So that's 75 in saving. Okay, we're gonna move up in here. My health, a lot of those gonna get 5 because this is not a good amount. 5. Wedding, we're gonna put 20. Graduation 10 as usual. Household, we're gonna put 10. Those long nails, I can't wait with them, guys. And then clothes, a lot of those gonna get 5, guys, because again, this is not a good amount. They don't need much. Bay 5. Taping 5. My kids allowance always get 5. Entertainment, I'm gonna put 25 because it's still not a good amount, but we are going, like I said, to the fair, so I'm gonna use some of those. So I'm trying to beef it back up. Birthday is gonna get 10 because again, I did use, I think, just a little bit of it to send my mom and dad some stuff that I had back then. Person, which is me, is getting 10. Education is 10. That's for me to buy my kids stuff from the Dollar General, like puzzles, and if you wanna do stuff like that. Parents, I did use a lot of their money, so I'm gonna do 10 in here. Anniversary, we always put 10. Holidays, we always put 10. Actually did forget electronics, which I always get 5. I used to have a AAA in car registration, but those are fully funded. So I think that should be it. Again, if I forgot any of them, guys, I will let you guys know. But let's see, actually could just look from my previous ones instead of actually forgot nanny. You see, nanny, we're gonna do 10. We have beauty, family, family. Yeah, that should be it. So let's add all those together, guys. So we have 5 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 25 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, then plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. So that should be 175. So if we do 116 plus 175 plus 75, we end up with $410. So we're just gonna see my income was actually 510, so I have a buffer of $100, which is perfect. So we make whatever we make, guys, for this week work for my sinking fund, which I am proud. So yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah, guys, so I'm gonna just break it down because you guys also want to trust me. You do not want to watch me do this. It's like a whole, and I mean, not that, I mean, yeah, the denomination, you do not want to see me do that. It is terrible. It's such struggle. I'll be erase stuff, do stuff, erase stuff. Yeah. So one last thing, guys, I'm so grateful, guys, from the bottom of my heart. You guys been working with me for so long, and for that I will always be thankful for you guys. I truly can say I love all of you guys. I did reach my 1K subscribers, and I will be doing a sinking fund. I just wanted to wait because I will wake up one day and I will lose a couple some subscribers. I'm trying to make sure that if I say I hit 1K, that I hit 1K before I do my giveaways and celebrate. So I didn't want to jinx. I don't want to jinx it. But guys, within a couple of weeks, I will be doing a big giveaway for my for me within a 1K subscriber on YouTube, guys. It's gonna be a while for me to monetize because on watch hours I'm very low. I think I'm like a 1,000 something, 600 and something watch hour, and I need 4,000. So that's why I'm not watching it, because I know it's gonna take some time, guys. But I'm just grateful, guys, that I get people that come to my channel and liked it enough for them to want to stay to begin with. So thank you, guys. Do not look at my nails. The imperfection is there because I did them just when I get home. I was tired, I'm hungry, so I did them really rough and end up messing a lot of them. But you know what, I'm learning to do my own nails and I'm not paying for it, so I am happy. From far to good, you just have to be close to the imperfection, and not many people gonna be close to me like that to see where I messed up. You know me? You feel me? Yeah. So that's it, guys. This is my paycheck. I will be doing that tomorrow, so I can have that money to use on Sunday when we go out to the fair. And hopefully my kids want to stay there for longer than 2 hours, because that's all mass time. My son doesn't like riding, doing rides. But dear Christmas, when we went to Galveston and they was having in the P, there was ride, he did do it, but he had his nieces around. I don't know if that's why I pushed him to want to do it, because he had other kids. So we'll see on Sunday, guys, if we, because you guys know my vacation is coming. They seem to Disney World, so I'm trying to get him used to ride, so when we go to Disney World and Legoland, we're not, it wasn't a waste of money. So guys, we see. So guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful weekend. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. And again, you guys always get a lot of video from me on the weekend, because that's when I'm off and have time to do my nails, because my job, I can't do my nails. And trust me, you do not want to see me bare hand. I'm a biter, which yucky, I know, but it is what it is. Most of the time when I do it, I don't even know. I think it's anxiety. That's how I cope. So that's why I like to do my nails, so I can look at least decent and feel like a girl in front of the camera. Guys, thank you.